Ke Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge kawasan emlang ke kerchan yang kita kita pun kerek waktu ya perang. Kini man ke pelat banyak ya pelak. Kini tak kejingnya kilang. Kelat wa yok siak wa cak sikai. Imentoy wa bun wa ikerchan ba Wengkam wan ra ya gela. Wa trim ye wani-wani wa sedang pi wa kamjo wa pun ku ye te. Cakli yang kilo. Hau ni snam uyoi ye wa he. Ibu kemai wa kamjo le imentoy. Ya kini ke thong. Tok gerwai pak ba de sarkar Meghalaya ka udah penwandur nei bentaw kerchan ki kam ki wasdang neru wasdang kani tok kerensan ka terwa yai man kam ginong penyu pen kedau irap poisa wa kamjo yo lingba ka program incubation ka khandi benai yong ka prime daw yo mentoi pile nei chak sikai iwa marsemen wa ki ru champang ki ru kom sikai ki wa pen pelia ki sap krek kam ki yong pi wa kamjo le yo bha pi he tok wa irap poisa Ipunya tok ya day ki yau ki han wa kamju I thau kre la ni ki office space ha shalong wa hatura de tok ipor wa lai cha wa palat I jing yo jingai ka menrit tok ka yong pi ka wa pun wandur
katu de tok kepali ke yong pi
katu tok dapoi kepali yong pi
Vice Chancellor ke Skulbah Northeastern Hill University Professor P.S. Shukla hagajing ikenduk begilat patai kubor hakan reutrik menai wiang arjar arpusau hasilong press club. Ule Pynshai bu dan bor ban wengi ki Nongtrei ke Skulbah kumjo onom tre ban hiar syuki namar yau lathong deka presiden kari. La ban kedau hang ne ban yang ki samla pulie ke bagan thop ya ka NEHU su bat ka KSU NEHU unit la sedang da kajing ki ban cak tangan klembok por lor kajing dawa ban Wengkam mardor ki Nongtrei ke NEHU ya ki bala thong bean. Professor P.S. Shukla ulong ba kajing dawa ban Wengkam ya registrar deputy registrar academics kam dai ka bala ban lek klam kanong rem namar yaki la thong kat kum ka kendon. Bad hadin kajing kmi benya da ka ba keduru ban pendok kam yo Nongtrei sarkar kam la ban lek klam ki daw ka babiang. Baladan ki daw na ka banta kanong ka kam. Ki hab bandon da kajing toket om da kajing pun kut no mardor. Vice Chancellor ula pentibru bahalor kajing keno badon ka kendom kendram ka ning Skulbah. Na ka nehuta ka nehunsa bat ka nehusu klada ban pen sngo ka presiden kari bat jo menteri sarkar preng beri kemi ka tanat puli putih. Bala da ka sarkar preng ka subah badon kanu kajing bam yat bed. Kala adai ban thau da ka committee toket ban bishar bnya akane. Nre hedu menta kampak dan kanu kajing pentip da ka office jong ka presiden ne ka tanat puli putih. Bagi cim kanu senjam halor kini kajing keno. Ha kabaya day bat kajing persya akbatung ya officer on special duty director college development council ulong budang up yo no uno professor ubakwa bantrei kumu director jangka college development council halor kajing thungkam ya ki non teaching staff vice chancellor ulo pente baga NEHU kaladap ban penmi halor ki pos ki balat na dogasnam arhajar apulai nrei ka national testing agency kalakentat ban penlong ya ki examen thungkam Nrei ka NEHU kalaya chakamat bat kerukam ai tanda segiwai pat ki agency kalaya chakamat. Jisin bala play biang ya ka office jang registrar kabala khak namar ki jing yakhi kini ki file kini ya chakamat bantung kam mardor loong sho vice chancellor. Halor ka jing dawa bantung pro vice chancellor professor Shukla ula pentip baga Skulbah hagi babon ki khap kla tho tikna shakatnat bani jing sha sho halor kini kam bat menta karang up ya ka jubab na katanat.
Yeah, this letter. And 3 to 4 times, and last letter sent to the government of India on 4th September 2024. And waiting the reply, clarification from the side of the government. Either government permit us to appoint 2 or 3 or 1 pro vice chancellor. Still it is not clear. Yes, after the removal, because registrar is a tenurial position, only the 5 year. Deputy registrars are the regular positions. Okay. Deputy registrars are under the probation period. Before going to even confirm any deputy registrar, this is a common procedure, not only for the deputy registrar, others also. We will definitely follow the same procedure. Immediately after going back, again going to call the students. Please come forward, discuss the matter, Discussion is the only way to solve any kind of the problem. There is no any other way. Come on the table. Discuss the matter under the norms, rules, and the system. Because I am also bound with the rules and regulation. Always ready to discuss my students. Or discuss my teachers or जो है non-teaching association. My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything teaching union is not. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the NEHU students. What will be the consequences if it is going for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms. And I always not only ready, I am also ready to go anywhere. देखिए गवर्नमेंट एजुकेटिव काउंसिल कैन और गवर्नमेंट कैन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द कमिटी क्योंकि यूनियंस ऑलरेडी रोट ए लेटर टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एंड आल्सो द सेक्रेटरी एजुकेशन और आई कैन से द मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन डेफिनेटली द गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू टेक एनी डिसीजन I will follow the decision of the government. I'm not going to resign anything. Okay, the first thing is. Second thing is, my appointment was done by President of India. This is my appointing authority. She can't take any decision. Definitely I will follow. Whatever the decision they are done are going to take by the President of India. Definitely I will follow. A student can say anything. Okay. But as I assured, during the time of my joining, I would like to perform my duties as per the Act, statutes, and norms of the university. And I am doing.